Ready to level up your animation skills? We've got something extraordinary for you! Immerse yourself in a world of creativity with free access to our premium character animation course. I'm making a video! Sorry.
Mommy says you should come and wash the dishes.
If you've ever wanted to know how your favorite animated films are made, then this workshop is for you. Transform your animation journey today. Click on the link on the bio or the one on the description and let us elevate your creativity together. Don't miss out. Limited spots available. Only valid for 2 weeks. Click on the link and unleash your animation potential.
A man did more than that. And I am that man!